our research should be independent of the product. We know there's already the brand. No? Magagawa yan. Meron talaga tayong facility. Magagawa yan.
Sige, ganito na lang gawin namin. I will try to arrange for a meeting between you and science for research. Then hopefully within next week.
Ngayon, the reason na gusto ko mag-video because by June or July, I should be back in the US. Pwede nating, parang bang portion lang na on the part of the UP AAA ba, no? Or maybe sabihin natin UP alumni in Northern California or in San Diego. These people, the heads of all these people, kilala ko, the president of the UP AAA, siya ang nag-assign sa akin to be the head webmaster ng website, no? So, if we can document this and then mapakita natin sa YouTube kasi malayo man, or maybe I can bring the tape, no? Pagbalik doon, they will be inviting me right upon my arrival, and they will ask me to attend their meeting sa UP San Francisco yata sila nag-meet. Dalawa kasi yan, UP San Francisco, UP Berkeley, no? And then they're keeping an eye on UP Mindanao, the fact that UP San Diego already facilitated the donation of these books, and ang sa atin dito, which let's go back again to the dream of, you know, coming up with a professorial chair or fellowship exchange, mga ganun ba? No, that is, diyan papasok talaga kasi some of the UP alumni in the US, they're already part of the big universities also. So, kaya sabi ko, hindi ko linya yan. Linya nila lalo, no? Yung nasa, professor na sa mga state universities doon. And this is the way to exchange professor, university to university, di ba? Minado kagad ako dyan, that's not my field. No? But I can facilitate or I can connect you guys to the right people. So like president ngayon ng, for all you know, the president of, kasi ang term ng UP AAA, every 2 years lang yan sila. This is supposedly the umbrella organization of all UP alumni associations in the US, but they only convene every 2 years. So, in different key cities. The last time was 2007, San Francisco, and then this coming 2009 will be somewhere in Washington yata. The elected president is an insider of Doctor of Medicine, Dr. Chua. He is an insider of sa Bethesda, Maryland. Disease Control, CDC. He is one of the big guys there. So mga academicians to, no? Yun. Or ito, parang Department of Health. Ang iba, ang dami niyan. They belong to mga like UP University of California in San Diego, University of California in San Francisco, or some other state universities outside California. I think that's the best way to connect with the idea of this. Kung yan ang need ninyo ngayon, yung advancement ng mga professors, that is something that can be done. It's just that we need to hear, no, from you guys what support you really need from an alumni association outside Davao.
Well, we need assistance, of course, for our faculty members. Laboratory, although we just got a 20 million funds from the university, but it's not enough for us. And we are really planning to utilize our land reservation for biodiversity studies and for
Ready ka na ba to document this? Can we shoot now?
Actually, I've been shooting since kanina.
Already now, it's been shoot. Okay. Hanapin din.
We have big plans. And I think that is one of the reasons why we want to tap the assistance of the alumni group to help us connect to
Sa totoo lang,
environment.
Me having the control of the website of the AAA, just give me a good write-up. Pwede natin isingit yan sa website. It's been visited frequently by different UP chapters in the mainland USA, Hawaii and Guam. No? I'm sure they will really help UP Mindanao. The fact alone of all the different UP chapter, UP units, the focus of UP San Diego was UP Mindanao. I think it was Dr. Naku who facilitated all this yata.
And Jimmy Sober.
So they're looking at UP Mindanao being the youngest, maybe the youngest UP candidate. Di ba? And the potential of Mindanao being one of the most promising islands in the Philippines. Di ba? Even myself, I would like to connect with UP Mindanao. That's why I'm more excited this time. Our first visit here, we were just kind of strangers, no? With another UP alumnus. Her focus in the California is more on culture, the folk dancing, the Filipino folk dancing. You know, kind of. Pero that was a nice initial meeting time in February 2007. But with this, all the opportunities coming up with the Bill Gates Foundation, with this research on alternative medicine. So parang there's a direction now. And ultimately, lahat ng programs ng UP Mindanao will be assisted by whether the alumni associations from abroad, or maybe where the alumni are connected with. Diba? They have all the connections. It's just that we just need to tell them how dito. And maybe once in a while, we connect, because there's a big e-group, UP e-group, UP cyberspace, you know, all UP alumni from different parts of the world. It's an e-group, so different topics. Sometimes it's focused more on politics, but more than that, I think the programs of UP Mindanao can be discussed in the e-group.
Maybe we can start with yung aming capsule proposal on Karim. Asan yan? Yung
Center for Alternative Research in Mindanao.
alternative research.
Alternative ba? Hindi alternative. Center for Advancement of Research.
Advancement of Research.
Afrin pala yun. Afrin pala yun. Alternative Research.
So ito isang trust namin na I think that will strengthen the research capability of the whole university. So siguro, yung meron kami kahapon na proposal pero hindi na isa-submit yun. We just have to come up with a 4 to 5 page proposal.
Yeah. Sa totoo lang, ito mas malaki ang budget nito with the Bill Gates Foundation. It's just that, though baka hindi siguro yung ibang nature yung research can be not related to health, but I can look at your proposal and then I will just highlight which one can be linked to, the present trust of Bill Gates.
Ito kasi more on a funding for the building.
Ang mga building.
Building na, yung research building.
Pero alam mo kasi, with the 1 million, kunyakari, part of that can be allocated to buying facilities, so renting, mga ganun ba? So, building, I don't think kung sakaling malaking pera niyang 1 million. Diba?
Kasi nakikita ko, kung yung reservation mag-decide na i-commit yun for a huge research work on alternative medicine. I think pwede ka magpunta ng research facilities doon mismo sa production area.
Right.